Hello student, my name is Priyank Machi. I am here to share some knowledge about power plant engineering. This subject was introduced by the Gujarat Technological University in 7th semester of Mechanical Engineering Department. This slide shows teaching scheme of this subject. There are 4 lectures in a week and 2 hours of laboratory sessions. Total credit of this subject is 6. Total 12 units are there in this syllabus. In first unit, we study about basics of thermal power plant. In second, third and fourth unit, we learn about high pressure boiler, coal and ash handling system and draft system. In fifth, sixth and seventh unit, we study how the steam nozzle, turbine, cooling tower and condenser are used in the power plants. In the 8th, 9th and 10th unit, we discuss about feed water treatment, gas turbine working, nuclear power plant and its reactor. In remaining units, we discuss about jet propulsion and economics of power generation. On this slide, list of reference books is shown which are useful to understand the subject in depth. Now, we are starting with the introduction part. In introduction, first we understand two words, energy and power. Energy. It is capacity to do work. It exists in various forms like mechanical, thermal, electrical and so on. But out of this form of energy, electrical energy is preferred because it is easily transferred from one place to another. Loss in transportation are minimum. It can be easily subdivided, economical in use, easily converted into one form to another, and easily controlled and regulated to suit requirements. Power. Any physical unit of energy when divided by a unit of time automatically becomes a unit of power. And power is primarily associated with mechanical work and electrical energy. Therefore, power can be defined as the rate of flow of energy and can be stated that a power plant is a unit built for production and delivery of the flow of mechanical and electrical energy. This slide shows different sources of energy like fuel, energy stored in water, nuclear energy, wind power, solar energy, tidal energy. Fuels are classified mainly in two categories. These are primary fuels and secondary fuels. If we look at the detailed classification of fuels, there are mainly three types of fuels are there. Solid, liquid and gaseous fuels. Different solid fuels are listed on this slide like coal, peat, lignite and brown coal, semi-bituminous coal, semi-anthracite, anthracite, wood charcoal and coke. Second fuel in this category is liquid fuels. There are various liquid fuels are in use like petrol, benzene, kerosene, diesel oil, light fuel oil and heavy fuel oil. The main source of liquid fuel is petroleum, which is obtained from wells under the earth crust. This fuel have more advantages in comparison with solid fuels. Some of the advantages of liquid fuels are listed in slide like it require less space of storage. this fuel has high calorific value and we can easily control consumption of different liquid fuels. In comparison of gaseous fuels, there is absence of spontaneous combustion in liquid. We can easily handle the fuels as well as transportation of this fuel is easy. Ash will not generated during the combustion of fuel. If we talk about the gaseous fuels, they have high calorific value, viscosity, specific gravity, high density. Let's look at the various gaseous fuels. Natural gas, coal gas, coke oven gas, blast furnace gas, producer gas and saver gas. There are some characteristic which makes gaseous fuel better than the previously described fuels. We can control the combustion of gaseous fuel better than the solid fuels. It does not need more air for completing the combustion process. Economical point of view, this fuels is cheaper than other liquid fuel. Smoke and ash not generated during the burning of gaseous fuel. Because of this, we can say burning of gaseous fuel is clean. We all are familiar with the gas pipeline system for domestic use, so there is no storage problem. You can see four different images of nuclear power plant, hydroelectric power plant, solar power plant and wind power plant. We learn about these all power plants in our next video. Stay safe, stay at home.